Guys, what's up? Check it out. Today I'm showing you my secret recipe. Ready? Here we go. First step, Coors Light. Finish the old one. Next step, step over a Chihuahua. Third step, finish the second one. Fourth, get a bag. Get chicken breast. Oh shit! Oh shit! Don't waste. Next step, throw your chicken in the bag. Don't dump it in the bag. Why? Because there's water at the bottom. And water is bad for this recipe. Next step, take this top secret Spadel Ranch. Throw that shit in there like this. Just dump it in there, a whole bunch of that shit. Next step, take fucking Red Wing sauce. Red Wing sauce. By the way, it's red, but it's orange in memory of the T-Rex. Sold the T-Rex, guys. Memory of the T-Rex. Next step, dump that shit in there, like so. Next step, get Himalayan sea salt from the Himalayas. Grumble that shit up, like so. Just a little bit. Next step, take brown sugar, okay? Brown sugar, guys. Dump that shit in there, brown sugar. All right? Next step, take the bag, right? No bullshit. This is a good recipe. And go like this for about 10 friggin' minutes, okay? No joke. Probably about 1 minute, all right? Just mix the shit up. After that, after 1 minute of mixing that shit up, put that shit on the grill. Money, baby, money. Over and out.